Okay, now move on to the another basic gates. OR gate. This class we learn about how to do for the OR gates. So the OR gates is also the basic gates. The truth table says any one of the input is high, the output is high for that one. If both the inputs are zero, the output is zero. See, that is called as an OR gate definition. As per the definition of the OR gate, the input A and input B, the output is taken as Y. Input A is 0, input B is 0, output is 0. Input A is 0, input B is 1, the output is 1. Any one of the input is high, output is high. Then input A is 1, input B is 0, output is 1. And input A is 1, input B is 1, output is 1. For this truth table, I need to verify while writing the program using Verilog. So in this Verilog, I need to write a program using data flow model. So I have to use module as the keyword followed by name of the program or gate, and I should be ended with end module. They don't give semicolon at the end module, only we have to provide semicolon for the first line. Then I have to provide the input output ports. A and B will be act as inputs, Y will be acting as an output. The next I have to give input is A, input is the keyword. I'm providing A as an input, B as an input, separate by comma and end with semicolon. Then output is a keyword and Y is in the variable with the end with semicolon. The next I have to use a keyword assign. Assign Y is equal to A or, so you have to use the stand line or with B. I am doing OR operation, then I have to provide a ORs. Then semicolon, end with end module. The same thing I need to do by using Xilinx. So open your Xilinx and I need to close the program. Go to file, close the project. See, now it is terminated, and if any RD file is opening, you should be close all the terminals. Otherwise, you will issues an error. Close all the terminal. Okay. Okay, now I have only the Xilinx folder. Go to file, create new project, give the project name, and then we can choose your location wherever you want. I already choose the location Maya 2 are the same as, and HDL I have to choose. Next, and this is the settings device property I need to set. Product categories all, family is XE9500CPLD, device is XE9572, package is PC84, and speed is different is there. I am setting with the speed with -15, and synthesis model we have to provide VHDL as well as the Verilog, and I have to use simulator model sim simulator. We have variety of the simulators are available. So now we are in the model sim simulator, and preferred language, whenever I choose this, automatically it set the preferred language is Verilog, and enable enhanced design summaries has to be tick. You just leave about the other two. After setting of all those device property in this, click on next. So I need to provide the name of the program. Click on new source. So if there are different varieties of the program I have to write. Say whenever I am to talk about Verilog model, you need to check Verilog model. If you want to write the program you are using VHDL model, we need to set the VHDL. As per the lab component of 2022 scheme, we need to execute the program by using Verilog. Because of that, I need to select Verilog module and give the file name whatever I want to do. So I have to do OR gate. Just I give a OR gate as the file name with the name of the file name. If not mentioning the extension of the file name, by default it chooses v.v extension, and click on next. Then if you want to provide input or output port, you can provide it. See, if A is an acting as an input, you can choose A as an input, or if it be acting as an output, you can choose output. Some cases it will act as in and out. In that cases we can choose in and out function. Okay, see right now I'm not mentioning anything. If mention also is no issues, you can also give A as an input, B is an input, and Y is an output. See now, if you don't want to give that one, if I don't know anything while selecting my port name, just leave empty, click next, and you have to set the finish. Yes, you do want to create a space. Yes, I need to create a space. After this window, click on next, click on next. You can finish the okay. So now it's open. I need to write a program here. Before that, the or and dash is a file name. I have to provide input output port A, B, Y. Then you have to mention as an input or output. Input is a keyword. A and B act as an input. Output Y is an act as an output. Assign is equal to assign. Sorry, Y is equal to A. I already told the vertical bar and B semicolon. See this, I am doing only one line of code. At the end is the program and save the program. After saving, go to source. There are three options under source. Choose the synthesis or implementation and we'll get design. After we'll get choose synthesis or implementation. Choose the program. See next you have if you while doing if you made mistake you will not get the implementation design. I think we will miss out some steps and then you need to start from beginning. Close the project, go to file, new, Maya 3. Okay, next, new source, verilog module or underscore gate 1. Next, finish. Yes, next, finish. See now if properly we done, see we'll get all the three attributes will be mentioning here. We'll get it that link. If any steps you are missing, we already check what is the error we made it. So you will not follow the steps properly, then you will not getting these two things, user constant and implementation design. If you not get implementation design, we can't able to simulate my program. Then you have to need a provide a input as well as the output port and write the input A and B, output Y. I need to write a code assign Y is equal to A or B semicolon. Then save the program and go to implementation design, right click, run. Check about errors. If there is no error, CPLD reports are generated. Once the CPLD report generated, see the what is the timing and everything will be get it now. So now we should be change my source for the behavior simulation. Under you will get a model sim simulator. Just click on that plus button. You will get this. Click on the mouse, right click, run. So then the simulation window will be opening. So then you minimize this, maximize this window. Before I want to start my execution, I have to restart all this waveform, restart, and I need to provide a input. So in this mouse A, provide a input, right click, force, value is 0, click on OK, and B, force, click on 0, OK, run. 0, 0, I am getting 0. Again A is 0, B has to be provided 1, okay, then 1. See A is 0, B is 1, output is high. So if you want to run once again, it can run it, no issue for that one. So I am changing my A is equal to 1, B has to change for 0, Press OK, run button. So now we'll get that values. If you want to run once again and change that A is also 1, B is also 1. So run the button. The output both are high. See, A is equal to 1, B is equal to 1, output y. See, they can run any number of times. See, this is verifying OR gate truth table. So let me continue in the next class with the universal gate, how to demonstrate NAND gate as well as the NOR gate. Thank you.